Good morning. Children, now I am going to tell you about new lesson. What is this picture, children? Royal Bengal tiger. Satyameva Jayati. 4 lions. What is this, children? Lotus. These are some of the national symbols of a country. What is the name of the country? India. India is our country. Today I will explain lesson name Our Country World. What is our national flower, children? Lotus. What is our national symbol? 4 lions. Satyameva Jayati. What is our national animal? Tiger. What is our national river? The Ganga. What is our national bird, children? Peacock. What is our national fruit? Mango. Children, now I am going to tell you about new lesson. 5th class EVS lesson number 4. Lesson name Our Country World. Children, do you know how many languages in our country? 1652 languages. Next, children, how many religions in our country? 9 religions. How many festivals in our country, children? 29 festivals. Okay, children, 1652 languages, 9 religions, 29 festivals in our country. The largest, oldest continuous human civilization country. Some inventions, traditions and customs are shown in this picture, children. Which country do they remind us of? Zero. Zero was invented by our mathematicians. Ayurvedic, chess, yoga, Bharatanatyam. Children, these are some invention, traditions and customs in our country. What is our country, children? Our country name is India. India is the land of rivers. They flow through different states. See here, children, Vindhya mountains. Which mountains are located in the central part of our country? The land to the north of Vindhya mountains is called North India, and the land to the south is called South India. Children, this is a India map. India, a multi-faceted country, has huge regional span with diversity in many aspects based upon climate, geographical and cultural features. Our country can be divided into 6 regions. How many regions, children? 6 regions. Our country can be divided into 6 regions. What are they? Northern India, Eastern India, Western India, Southern India, Central India. Okay, children. This is a Northern India, children. Eastern India, Northeastern India, Western India, Southern India, Central India. How many regions, children? Our country can be divided into 6 regions. Okay, children. Northern India states Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, NCT of Delhi, Chandigarh, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. These states in northern India. These all states are in northern India. Eastern India children, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Orissa. These all are in eastern India. Northeastern India, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim and Tripura. These all are states in northeastern India. This is Western India children. Goa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Daman, Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Goa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. These all states are in Western India. Now Southern India states in. This is Southern India children. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Lakshadweep, Andaman, Nicobar Islands and Pondicherry. These all states are in Southern India. What is our state children? Andhra Pradesh is our state. Andhra Pradesh located in Southern India. This is Central India children. Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh are in Central India. Okay children, understood? How many regions divided into our country? 6 regions. What are they? Northern India, Eastern India, Northeastern India, Western India, Southern India, Central India. Children, according to the Jammu and Kashmir Recognition Act 2019, the existing state of Jammu and Kashmir was reconstituted into 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. As a result, currently there are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. How many states in India children? 28 states and how many union territories? 9 union territories. The union territories of Delhi, Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir are entitled to have any elected chief minister. Unlike other union territories, New Delhi is the capital of India. Children, how many states in our country? 28 states in our country. Now I am going to tell you about state, capital, major or official language. First one children, Andhra Pradesh. State Andhra Pradesh. Capital Amaravati. Official language Telugu. What is our state? Andhra Pradesh. Capital Amaravati. Official language Telugu. Next children, Arunachal Pradesh. Capital Itanagar. Official language English. Assam. Third one children, capital Dispur. Assamese. Official language. State Bihar. Capital Patna. Official language Hindi. Chhattisgarh state, capital Raipur, official language Hindi. Goa state, capital Panaji, Konkani, official language. Seventh state Gujarat, Gujarat capital Gandhinagar, official language Gujarati. Eighth state Haryana, Haryana capital Chandigarh, official language Hindi. Ninth state Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla, official language Hindi. Jharkhand, capital Ranchi, official language Hindi. Karnataka, capital Bangalore, official language Kannada. Next, Kerala state, capital Thiruvananthapuram, official language Malayalam. Madhya Pradesh, capital Bhopal, official language Hindi. Maharashtra, capital Mumbai, official language Marathi. Manipur, capital Imphal, official language Manipuri. Meghalaya, capital Shillong, official language English. Mizoram, capital Aizawl, official language Mizo. Nagaland, capital Kohima, English official language. Odisha, Bhubaneswar, capital official language Oriya. Punjabi, Punjab state children, Chandigarh capital official language Punjabi. Rajasthan state, capital Jaipur, official language Hindi. Sikkim state, capital Gangtok, official language Nepali. Tamil Nadu state, capital Chennai, language Tamil. Telangana state, capital Hyderabad, official language Telugu. Tripura state, Agartala, official language Bengali. Uttar Pradesh, capital Lucknow, official language Hindi. Uttarakhand, capital Dehradun, Hindi official language. West Bengal, capital Kolkata. 28th state children, West Bengal, capital Kolkata, official language Bengali. Okay children, these all are in our states. Capitals, official languages. Children, how many union territories in our country? 9 union territories in our country, children. Now I am going to tell you about union territories, capital and official languages. First one, children, Andaman Nicobar, capital Portable Air, official language Bengali. Chandigarh, capital Chandigarh, official language Punjabi. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, official language Gujarati and capital Silvassa, official language Gujarati. Daman and Diu, capital Daman, official language Gujarati. Lakshadweep, capital Kavarati, Malayalam, official language. Delhi NCT, capital New Delhi, official language Hindi. Pondicherry, capital Tamil, official language. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar and Jammu, official language Kashmiri. Ladakh, capital Leh, official language Ladakhi. Children, these all are union territories, capitals and official languages, children. Okay children, understood? Today's home task, children, 5th class course book, page number 37, states and union territories, capitals and officials language. Okay children, read 37 page in 5th class course book, e-science. Okay children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.